Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully everyone okay. So today I'm showing how to make chickpea salad. Very easy, very simple, very healthy and delicious to eat. So guys, I'm going to show you step by step. So let's begin. As a chickpea salad, I'm going to use cucumber, carrots, 1 onion and red radish, cherry tomatoes and chickpeas. First, I washed already all vegetables and I'm going to cut all vegetables step by step. So first I'm going to cut the cucumber. Then I'm going to cut as a cubes like this size. Not very big, not very small. Then I'm taking big bowl, put inside the big bowl. Same size I'm going to cut the carrots. Then radish. Radish I'm going to make 4 pieces. This is little bit big. Then I'm going to open like that. Then I'm going to cut cherry tomatoes, only 2 pieces. Then I'm going to add chickpeas. So chickpeas, this is already boiled. You can use fresh chickpeas, boiled or tin of chickpeas, is totally optional. Then I'm going to add inside. Then I'm going to mix all together. So next I'm making dressing. For dressing I'm going to add very good virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, roasted cumin powder, chili flake, crushed black pepper, pink salt, dry parsley. You can use fresh parsley as well. 1 spoon of pure honey. Then I'm going to mix all together. So guys, it's lemon there, olive oil there, chili flake, so everything, and honey. So it will be very nice, sweet and sour and little bit spicy dressing. Then I'm going to add dressing. Then mix all together. So guys, this is our chickpea salad ready. Very simple, very easy. So very healthy and very good for lose weight, and in summer it's very healthy to eat. So you must try this recipe. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone take care. Bye bye.